Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dramatic Literature. Today we're going to be doing an assignment called Pop Song Sonnets, but before we get started, I want to do a quick review just to make sure that we're all on the same page as to what a sonnet is. Go ahead and click the link and take the Kahoot quiz that I've made. Pause this video and come back when you're done. So, to sum up, sonnets have 14 lines, contain 3 quatrains, end in a rhyming couplet, have iambic pentameter, that heartbeat sound, and have the rhyme scheme A B A B, C D C D, E F E F, G G. Here are our learning targets for today. On the left-hand side, you have our teachery language, and on the right-hand side, I've rewritten it so you know what you need to worry about. Today, I want you to show how language works in other contexts by making choices depending on your work style, maintain clear grammar and sentence structure, and create a multimedia work that remixes the work of others. So what is a pop song sonnet? Some of you may have seen this book already in my room. It's a collection of songs that were in popular music over the last 50 years, rewritten in the style of a Shakespearean sonnet. Here's an example that I wrote. The blame lies not with me that I am lithe. You must turn scorn toward that Russian drink. From forth berries cut down with sharpened scythe, come that which one young babe should also think, is cause for my glamour, though should be said, 'tis false to say that I am not most bad. Pause the video and see if you can think what this song is. It's Juice by Lizzo. Now keep in mind that while my source material may have had certain language in it, I used my language to rewrite it in a way that fit the assignment and the format. So I want you to pick a popular song, a song that you love and probably other people in the class love too. And I want you to rewrite it in the style of a Shakespearean sonnet. Now what I'm looking for is that you have at least one quatrain. If you get excited and want to write the full sonnet with 3 quatrains, awesome. But I just need to know that you know how to write one. You need to end with a rhyming couplet, and at least make an attempt at iambic pentameter. It can be kind of tricky to get this right, but as long as I can tell that you tried to have unstressed and stressed syllables, you're good. When you're done, I want you to post a video of yourself performing your sonnet to Flipgrid. Our flip code is at the bottom of this page. Need any help or inspiration? Here's a video by MC Lars that has a deeper explanation of how and why Shakespeare wrote sonnets. It's a little weird and a little funny, and I think you guys will get a huge kick out of it. And then at the bottom, there's a link for the Tumblr page for Pop Song Sonnets. And here there are dozens and dozens of examples of what I'm looking for. It is okay to use a song that you see on here, but I am going to be checking just to make sure you didn't borrow any rhymes. Remember our academic honesty policy. I hope that answers all your questions. If not, I'll be here to help, and I look forward to hearing your sonnets.